Samsung is apparently working hard on bringing us a rival for true depth camera technology on the next Galaxies. Apple invites us all to a field trip on March 27th, and we're thinking budget offerings, and ZTE is implementing the camera technology of the Pixel for the new budget phone? I'm Jaime Rivera, and it seems that if that Pixel camera technology extends, blurring the toilet on those bathroom selfies will be easier. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals yet again. Those of you in the market for a Google Pixel 2, you might want to consider some offerings available on eBay, currently new other devices yet again. Mainly because, well, they're $580 and you'll say, yeah, that's expensive. But no, it's not if you consider the fact that this is the 128GB variant. That's actually overkill in my opinion for the Pixel, given its great storage management, but you can learn more in the description. Now, it seems that ZTE is apparently willing to surprise us in the mid to low range. I mean, their Blade series hasn't really been a top-of-the-line smartphone, and yet the Blade 9 that we saw at MWC is a gorgeous smartphone. Now, bear in mind, the company apparently has just invested in a new code that will bring them computational photography, pretty much like what we get in the Pixel. Not necessarily what we get in the Pixel, but it seems that that is coming to the mid to low range for ZTE. I can't wait to see what that phone brings, mainly because just on its own, the phone's gorgeous. Now set your calendars, as Apple has sent out press invitations for an event to happen on March 27th, and the company is teasing that it's going to take us on a field trip. Now, there are a ton of rumors, one of these being even a video on Weibo that shows us an iPhone SE, in theory. It looks everything like an iPhone. It doesn't look like an Android phone running some sort of fake version of iOS. No, this looks like a smaller iPhone 10 with a notch that runs iOS well, and it's just got some sharper corners. So we wonder if this is going to be Apple's event for the budget lineup that we've been hearing in rumors. We'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about HTC. No, the company's not dead, don't worry. We've got some very interesting tips from Evan Blass teasing a U11, no, U12, that would be pretty much. But this is the Plus variant. And, well, we've got great specifications starting with no notch, Snapdragon 845 processor from Qualcomm, 6 gigs of RAM, options for 64 and 128 gigs of storage, that's all fine. But apparently, the cool thing about this phone is that in addition to that possible matte glass design, we're also getting 4 cameras, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. What exactly is the company planning to bring? I can't wait. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with Samsung and the Galaxy S10. Yes, early, but believe it or not, the rumors are there. Apparently, the company has already invested in an Israeli company to bring itself some better true depth image sensing technology for the front-facing camera, because for those of you that have already tried AR emoji, you know how terrible that thing is. It does need better hardware, so apparently Samsung is working on that, and apparently it's also going to bring a revision to the Infinity display. That's great. Apparently the other rumor is that we're not getting the fingerprint scanner on the display, which is terrible, but in today's question, let us know if you had to pick on-display fingerprint scanner or true depth sensing technology for unlocking your phone. In my case, why not both, Samsung? Or if anything, just keep the fingerprint scanner at the back, bring me that thing in the front, and we'll be fine. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and the Galaxy Note 8 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.